come with me to Matrixville. I've paraphrased the question here a little bit, so we'll have to listen to what I'm saying as we go through it. But I'm Nick, here's some maths, let's go. We have a 2 by 2 real valued matrix, 2a, 3b. Now what we know is the point 1, 1 is mapped to the point 1, 3. We're going to use that to find a and b. We're then going to play around and get some of these nice identities expressing powers of a in terms of a and the identity. I love doing it. I feel like it's such a part of maths for me, just absolutely amazing. So number one, so what we know is that 2a, 3b times 1, 1 is going to give me 1, 3. So if we multiply that is 2 plus a is equal to 1. Oh, well, that's boring. A is minus 1. And it's 3 plus b is equal to 3. Well, okay, b is 0. All right, fine. Now, show that. That's not such that. That's show that. I just didn't want... Shush you, don't judge me. A squared equals 2a minus 3 times the identity. Now, we could just plug it in. We could just plug it in and check that that side equals that side. But we're smarter than that. We are going to look at the characteristic equation. 2 minus lambda, so a is minus 1. 3, b minus lambda. Now, because we know that a matrix will satisfy its own characteristic equation. So what's that? That is 2 minus lambda times minus lambda minus 3 is 0. So that is lambda squared minus 2 lambda plus 3 equals 0. So what we know is that a squared minus 2a plus 3 times the identity is 0. So this will give me my first one of these, is that a squared is 2 times a minus 3 times the identity. Whoop, whoop. Look at that. Using the powers of further maths, isn't that cool? All right, so they call that equation 1. Now for part C, we need to derive a cubed and a to the minus 1. Let's go. We're going to multiply equation 1 by a. So that will give me a cubed. It's 2a squared minus 3a. Now, a squared, though, by equation 1, that is 2a minus 3i minus 3a. So that tells me that a cubed is 4a minus 3a is a minus 6 times the identity. Skubadoosh! And then for the second one, we're just going to multiply equation 1 by a minus 1. So a squared times a minus 1 becomes a. 2 times a minus 1 just becomes the 2 times the identity. Minus 3a to the minus 1. And with minimal rearranging at a weird angle, like having to write at this angle with a drop is really not good on the joints. So that becomes 1/3 2 times the identity minus a. Ah! That's what I wanted. That's what I wanted. Bring that over, bring that there, divide by 3. Ucha, ucha, ucha. And there we go. Nice little fun with a 2 by 2 matrix, right? It's not all about the 3 by 3s. We can play around with these ideas, the characteristic equations, all of that, determinants with 2 by 2s as well as 3 by 3s. It doesn't have to be horrible. If you enjoyed this, please let us know in the comments. If you think there was a quicker way to go about this, let me know. Hit the bell for notifications. Subscribe if you aren't already. Come on, what are you even doing? And I will see you next time right here. Well, I say that, it could be a different place. Bye-bye.